Okay, so now we're going to look at how to install some of those toolbars. Right now I am using Chrome. I've just logged into my Digo account, and as soon as I do, it gives me the option to install the Digo Chrome extension. So I'm going to select Get It Now. I'm going to select Add. Okay, so now you're going to notice that the Digo symbol is in the upper right hand corner. So this is my toolbar extension. So if I have a site that I would like to bookmark, like if I go to the ISTE site for teachers, when I click on my Digo extension, I want to bookmark this. I'm just going to select Bookmark. Notice it puts the URL in for me. It also puts a title in. I can edit this if I need, and I have the option to mark it as private. I can also mark it as read later, so it'll be one of the things, that'll be one way I can search for it. As you start bookmarking more sites, it'll be more important to put the description in here. So you might want to put ISTE site for teachers or something along those lines. The tags are also very important because sometimes you're going to be looking for a site and you'll know generally what it's about. You might remember that it's an ISTE site, that it's a technology site, a teaching site, a resource, standard, something along those lines. So you can also do a search by the tags. So that's usually very important to do. So now I'm going to select Save. And now when I go back to my library, my site is here. Now there's something else really neat that I can do with this. I can make a sticky note. Notice that it's private. I'll be the only one who can see this sticky note. So I can say, great site. Look at the teacher resources. Then I can click Post. Now if I want to see this again, I can just hover over this one. It lets me know that there's one sticky note there, and I can look at it. Now another thing I can do is I can highlight. So if there's something in here that I think is especially important, I can highlight it. And to highlight, I'm just going to drag over, let go, and now it's highlighted. So when I go back to my library, let me refresh. And within my library, it has my sticky note that I put, and then it also put the text that I had highlighted. When I go back to the site, in fact, I'll even close this one. I'm going to right click, I'm going to open this in a new tab, so you see it's opening again. So I can find the sticky note as well as the text that I had highlighted just by clicking on my Digo toolbar. Now that I've clicked on that, my sticky note reappears, as does my highlighted text. If I don't want that information to show, all I need to do is to close my toolbar. Now another way to determine if you have anything saved on the page is to notice the red line that goes through your Digo bookmark. And that's all there is to it.